Welcome to the Southwest Virginia Alliance for Manufacturing's Made in Southwest Virginia podcast, where we aim to educate listeners on the many impacts of manufacturing in Southwest Virginia. Today's episode is part of our ongoing series in which we deep dive into specific companies making worldwide impacts. We often hear there's nothing happening in Southwest Virginia. I've even felt that myself, but as I learned more about Southwest Virginia's manufacturers, I realized that couldn't be further from the truth. Contrary to some perceptions, Southwest Virginia is a hub of innovation and manufacturing, producing world-class products integral to people and companies around the globe. From automotive components to advanced electrical systems, our local manufacturers are driving technological advancements and economic growth on an international scale. Today we'll be talking about Darco Southern, a company located in Independence, Virginia that specializes in high-temperature textile products. These aren't your everyday textiles. They're engineered to perform in extreme environments, helping industries function safely, efficiently around the world. So what exactly does Darco Southern do and why does it matter? At its core, Darco Southern is about thermal protection. They produce high-performance products like woven tapes, fabrics, and ropes designed to handle extreme heat. These materials are crucial for applications where temperatures can soar to levels that would destroy ordinary materials. For example, in an industrial furnace, the heat can easily reach thousands of degrees Fahrenheit. Without proper gaskets, seals, and thermal barriers, these systems would fail, leading to potential hazards, inefficiencies, and costly downtime. Darco Southern's products are engineered to prevent those failures, ensuring safety and reliability. Their innovations aren't just limited to heavy industry, though. Their textiles play a role in industries like aerospace and automotive, where precision and durability are critical. Think of the heat-resistant components in spacecraft or the protective wrap around an automotive exhaust system. Darco Southern's expertise contributes to these vital systems operating smoothly. The Darco Southern facility in Independence is more than just a production plant. It's a center for innovation. Their team of skilled professionals works with advanced materials, weaving and fabricating products that can withstand temperatures that most of us can hardly imagine. Their offerings go beyond standard solutions. Customization is a key part of their business, whether it's a specialized seal for an aerospace application or a custom gasket for a unique industrial machine. Darco Southern collaborates with their clients to create tailored solutions that meet specific needs. And let's talk about quality. Every product that leaves their plant undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest quality standards of performance and durability. This attention to detail and commitment to excellence is what has earned Darco Southern a reputation as a trusted partner across multiple industries. Darco Southern's impact extends far beyond the high-temperature textile products they create. They're at the forefront of thermal protection technology, constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Their contributions help shape the future of industries like manufacturing, aerospace, and energy, enabling companies to operate more efficiently and sustainably. Whether it's making industrial processes safer or advancing the capabilities of high-tech applications, Darco Southern is a shining example of how a company in Southwest Virginia can make a global impact. It's also worth recognizing the people behind the products. Darco Southern's workforce is skilled, dedicated, and passionate about creating solutions that truly make a difference. Their work reflects the best of what our region has to offer: creativity, craftsmanship, and a commitment to excellence. If you'd like to learn more about Darco Southern and their innovative thermal protection products, check the show notes or visit their website at darcosouthern.com. That's darcosouthern.com. That's it for today's episode of Made in Southwest Virginia. Join us next time as we continue to highlight the innovative spirit of Southwest Virginia's manufacturing sector. Until then.